retro style refrigerator. This one is slightly taller than it is off the floor several inches, so it is going to look a little bit taller than it actually is. But it's very like old school retro. Like they used to look a long time ago, except red. But I have a mini one that's a lot like this, except for the single door. And I really love these style fridges. I do. And you still have plenty of room. It's not super large. This is good for probably a smaller family, RVs, just smaller areas that you need it. But overall, this is a really nice refrigerator. I really like these.